wind, guys. A very cold wind and very strong. It's like a summer thunderstorm, but it's awfully cold out here. Quite strange. Really strange. The temperature is about 49 degrees. It's quite chilly. The wind is coming from the east, guys, and you know what happens when those storms come from the east. You can see see if you can see my flag here. So this is a very strange late fall storm, or I guess mid-fall. It's cold. We've just been getting a steady rain all day. We probably got close to 4 inches, guys. It has been raining steadily, 4 inches. Back of the property is flooded. We need the rain, but this is very, very strange that we're getting these spin-offs from these winds. We had the first fire of the season on this wood burning stove. Woo! Starting to see it die down a little bit. We're keeping the chickens locked up. But the gusts are very, very strange. So it's over for now. We do expect more to kick in here in about an hour. There is a low pressure system that's moving over us and it's bringing us significant rain. Thankful for the rain, guys, but the wind, again, was pretty weird. So I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Take care.